आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay student, let's start solving this question. We have given that the expression which is cos pi by 2 plus iota sin pi by 2 cos pi divided by 2 square plus iota sin pi divided by 2 square up to infinity, right guys? So now first we have to write the expression which has given to us, right, which is cos pi by 2 plus iota sin pi by 2, right, this whole in bracket, right, into cos of pi by 2 square plus iota of sin pi divided by 2 square into this is went up to infinity, right guys? So now we have to solve this. So this whole term consider is equal to z, right? So now z is equal to cos of pi by 2 plus pi by 2 square plus up to so on up to infinity, right guys? We are considering cos separately and sine separately, right? So now it is iota sine of pi by 2 plus pi by 2 square up to so on up to infinity, right guys? So now guys, we left with cos, we are taking out common pi by 2, right guys? So now it is pi by 2 1 plus 1 by 2 square, right, plus up to so on up to infinity, right guys? So now we have to solve this question properly, right? Okay, this is going to be 2, right, plus 1 by 2 square up to so on up to infinity, right guys? Similarly in this iota sine, we are taking pi by 2 common, right, into 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square so on up to infinity, right guys? So now we separately considering this term cos and sine. So now it is equal to cos of pi by 2, right, into, we know that this is the series term, right? So in series term we can write in this term can be 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2, right? Similarly we are applying over sine, right, pi by 2, this is again series term, right? So now it is going to be 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2, right? So now we just opening it, right? So now it is equal to cos of pi by 2 into 1 by 2 into iota of sine pi by 2 1 divided by 1 by 2, right guys? So this two, excuse me, this 2 and this 2 got cancelled. Similarly this 2 and this 2 got cancelled. So now we left with our cos of pi plus iota sine pi, right guys? And we know that cos pi plus iota sine pi is equal to -1, so it is going to be -1, right guys? So now what we have, that is value of z, right? So z is equal to -1. So guys, this is our final answer, z is equal to -1. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।